Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can work with the internal CSS. In the previous lecture we worked like this, which is called the inline CSS, in which I applied the CSS with the opening tag by using the style attribute. In order to work with the internal CSS, let me create a new file and give it a basic HTML5 code. Okay, what is internal CSS? Like over here in internal CSS, I will apply a style tag in the head section and all my elements in the body sections as usual. Okay, but all the CSS I want to write, I will write them inside this style tag. But here what we need is the selector. So very first selector is by element name. So here I am applying the CSS to the selector P and give it some basic CSS. So let me write some basic CSS: background color, border, like this. So what it will do, it will basically apply this particular CSS on all the paragraph. This is what the element selector. Okay, so over here this will work on all the paragraphs that are present on my web page. Okay, so let us see first how it's work. So this is a simple paragraph, right? Now let us do one thing, that create a heading, then write something inside it, and then again a paragraph. Okay, so this is the thing. Now I want to apply the styling, or if you want to change any styling, you can change from here. Okay, and it will get changed on all the paragraphs, not on the single one. It will get changed on all the paragraphs. So let us change some basic things basically. So as you can see over here, whatever changes I will perform in this section, it will get affected on all the paragraphs. Alright, so this is the thing, and this particular selection is called selection by using the element name. P is what? Nothing but the name of the element, that is the name of the tag. Okay, so it will get applied on all the elements whose name is P, like or I can say it will get applied on the paragraphs. Okay, now suppose I have multiple headings, or let us set one more thing, font size. Okay, so that will also get changed in all the paragraphs. Make it a little bit big, 28. Okay, you can set all these things as per your convenience. That's not a issue at all. In place of green, let us give it a black. So the background color will be sky blue and the color will be black. Alright. So now width. Width, as we all know, we can give in %px also. So if I give the width 50%, it will take the 50% of my page. Alright. Now I already have one heading. Let us create one more heading. Okay, and now if I want some styling on this particular heading, if I do it by using H1, it will get applied on all the headings. Let us see. So let me give color blue, border something 2px, dotted green. Okay, and now you can see it will get applied on both of the headings, but I want it on a particular heading. So what I need to do, you can use the ID selector. For that you need to apply the ID in the opening tag that I give heading 1, and over here when you are using the ID selector, give it by hash. Now you can see it is applied on only on the particular ID, not on all the headings, right? So this is what your ID selector is. Now let us take the third thing, in which suppose I have three divs. Okay, so this is div number 1, then I will create two more divs. Okay, and what I am trying to do over here is I want to apply the styling on two divs, not on all the three, or not on a particular single one. Okay, for that what we will do, we will use the class, that is the CSS class, which is the most important thing. Okay, so what we will do, I will create the class first in the head section, and then I will use it inside the text. So let us create these three first. So once the divs are created, let me give the first, second and third inside the bold tag so that they can be easily visible. So first, second and third inside the B tag, which will make them bold. So this is the basic HTML of the divs. Now I will create the class. Right now there is no formatting over there, right? So let us create a class. In order to create a class, you will use dot. Okay. So how you can write the class? By using dot. So I will write something called dot, then the name. So I will give say box, open the brackets and write your CSS over here. Okay, this is the name of class. So without hash or dot, it is the element selector. With hash, it is the ID selector, and with dot you are creating a class. So I am giving over here color something, background color something, then some not height, let us set width only, height should be auto. This time I give 75% and give some border like 3 pixels dashed, and the color you want to select suppose yellow. All right, and class is created but not applied, so you can see all the three divs are as it is. What I need to do is now I need to apply this class on the particular div. So I will write a attribute class and give the name of class over here. Don't use dot. Okay, so I want to use it on div number 1 and div number 3. So I will write the same thing on div number 3. Refresh the page, you can see now, right? It is applied on two div, not on the second div. One more thing, you can change the font like whatever you want to do, say 25 pixels. So yeah, quite easily visible. So this is also, you can see div 1, then div 2 without that. Now one more thing, it is not compulsory that I created a class box for div so I can use it only on the div. I can use it on any other tag also. Suppose this is the h2, and let me write some dummy text inside it like hello world, how are you today, and I want to apply the same styling that is present in the class box. So I can write simply class is equal to box, and refresh the page. You can see over here the bold is coming from the heading and the rest of the thing is coming from the class box. I hope all these things are clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you.